take a look at another problem that we can use partial products to solve. So this says the apples from each tree in an orchard can fill 23 bushel baskets. If one row of the orchard has 48 trees, how many baskets of apples can be filled? I'm going to give you a moment to reread that problem and interpret it. Think about what is the question asking and what would you do to solve it, and I'm going to do the same. Okay, so I was thinking, well, I know that one tree in an orchard, the apples from that tree can fill 23 baskets. But in a row, I have 48 trees. So I'm thinking I should multiply 23, because that's how many baskets can be filled from one tree, times 48, because that's how many trees we have, to see how many total baskets of apples we'll have. So I'm going to write my problem out. 23 times 48. I'm also going to make a quick estimate so that I know if my final product is reasonable. So 23, I would round to 20. 48, I would round to 50. So 50 times 2 tens is 100 tens, or 1,000. So my estimate, I'm just going to write here so that I can reference that if I need it later when I'm done. Okay, so first I'm going to multiply the tens by the tens. So I have 40 times 2 tens, which is 80 tens, or 800. Now I'm going to multiply the ones by the tens. So 40 times 3, which is 120. Next, I'm going to multiply 8 times 2 tens, which is 160. And then I'm going to multiply 8 ones times 3 ones, which is 24. So now I have my 4 partial products. I'm going to add all of these partial products to get my final product. So I have 4 ones. I know that 8 and 2 is 10, so I have 10 tens, which would then be 100. So 8 plus 1 is 9, and 2 more is 11 hundredths, which is 1,100. So I have my final answer of 1,104. I'm going to take a look back at my estimate, and I see that it's close to the estimate, so I know that my answer is reasonable. So I have 1,104 baskets can be filled.